Hi, my name is Anders. This is the Baking Steel Test Kitchen. Hey, before we start, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and we hope you like it. And let's continue our quest for the perfect pizza crust. And today we're gonna try our whole wheat flour crust. It is really filled with nutrients. It's delicious, and I think we nailed it. Let's do this. Our ingredients for our whole wheat dough, we have 400 grams of organic bread flour, 100 grams of whole wheat flour. This is a white wheat, pretty nice. 16 grams of sea salt, 350 grams of water, 1 gram of active dry yeast. Whisk my flours together. Next, I'll add my salt. Whisk it good. Yeast. And now my water. I'm gonna dump this out. Scrape out my bowl. Now we get to work. Call this the scrape and press. Some people call it kneading. After about 2 or 3 minutes, this goes right back into our bowl. Cover it. If you don't have a nice lid like this, plastic wrap, make sure it's airtight. It stays on the counter, room temperature, about 68 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit for 24 hours. After 2 days, put this in the fridge, boom, for 48 hours. 48. All right. Game day, so this dough has been in the refrigerator for 2 days. We've got a 3-day fermented whole wheat dough. I'm gonna portion, on game day, we wanna remove it and make our dough balls. So we do that. I'm gonna portion these off to about, ooh, it's way off, about 250 grams, okay? And now what I'm gonna do is take this and make a dough ball. This is really, really important that we get this right, okay? So flour up your workstation. Coat both sides with flour, and then just pick it up and fold it in half. And then we turn, and I press gently inside the seam and close again. I follow this sequence about 15 or 20 times and turn. And if the dough gets sticky at all, get some flour in your hands. Don't be shy. Press and close and turn. Press and close. I take the smooth side, place that on my palm when I'm just about done, and I squeeze the seam closed. And I've got this beautiful dough ball. This is gonna need about 3 or 4 hours of rest, covered with plastic wrap or a damp cloth. Let those glutens relax and let this dough rise. It'll be ready to make pizza or your favorite bread in about 3 or 4 hours.